Chest, man, we're getting a few sets of flies in just to get a good pump. We'll probably come back to this, I'm not sure, but you know, we're warming up with this today. And so we're just trying to get a little blood into the muscle before we really start hitting it. All right, so let's get with it.
Our first 2 workout set is going to be incline press, and we're going to do it on the floor right here. Come on, come on. That's you, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Good. But I never really get into that zombie state anyway because I never have to cut my carbs that low. I've never zero carbs out, none of that nonsense. So, you know, but when you do go from like 400 down to 200, you're gonna feel, only gonna get better from here.
Come on. Are you? Come on. Come on. That's it. Come on.
One more, come on.
Yes! Stay with it. Come on. Come on. Stay with it. Come on. You know, you talking about pre-contest right before the show. Everybody started trying to go light. But I try to keep the guys a little heavier so they stay fuller longer. And you know, it works for us. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Come on now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. All right. Come on. Shit. Our last set would be a drop set. We're going to strip it down a little bit for him. Up good. Look at that. Look at that. Let's open it up just a little bit. Give you a preview. Look at that. Look at that.
you know, good, man. You know, I'm at a good state right now. Feeling real good, happy about how my training's been going. So all I do, man, is eat, sleep, and train when I come out here. Don't go out, don't hang out. Charles know where I'm at. You know, come straight to the house anytime, and I'm right there. So it's just a getaway for me. You know, 6-7 weeks out, come out here, straight training, man. I freaking love my life right now. It's awesome.
Come on. That's you. Come on. Come on, Dex. Come on, Dex. Push it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
You know, everybody always got all the answers. But coming from me, no, I doubt that. You know, I always say I'm not doing this and not doing that, I end up doing it. So you never know with me. But I've never said this is my last Arnold. No, this is my 14th Arnold. That's a record in itself. No one's done it that many times. It's an awesome show to do, man. I love doing this competition, you know. So no thoughts of retirement at all, no.
Watch it, he's gonna pick it, he's gonna put it in hard. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. That's it, Dex. Push it. Squeeze at the top. Come on. Squeeze at the top. Come on, squeeze it. I think at this stage right now, he's better than he was for the Masters Olympia. He put a lot into this whole thing. He got his proper rest. He got back into the gym. He trained hard. We did not let up 1 minute. And the thing about it is, he was happy all the way through these workouts. Everything went smooth. We put 100% back in. We're going to put 100% every time we come into this gym. Why? Because that's what we need to do. I'm telling you, watch this package. It's going to be the best you've ever seen.
All right, fellas, this is our last workout here. We did chest today. I won't see you guys anymore. Wish me luck. I'm looking